But there will likely be school closings, not today, but tomorrow, as we are going to see quite a bit of snow head our way as we go into the afternoon and eventually into the early morning hours tomorrow. Just cloudy skies right now, no problems for your morning commute, as we've been telling you throughout the course of this morning. We will start to see the snow spread in here throughout the afternoon hours, and we will see some slick spots for the evening commute. The snow right now is still off to our west in Missouri as well as portions of Kansas, but the storm system will eventually make its way through Kentucky and spread the snow here into Indiana as well. So the snow is going to move in between 3 and 5 o'clock. First as some scattered snow showers, and then it becomes steady and heavy as we go into the 8 o'clock hour and really all the way into very early Wednesday morning. And there will be some mixing with freezing rain and sleet south of Indianapolis. I think places like Bloomington, Seymour, Columbus, you do get into some of the sleet and freezing rain, and that'll keep your snowfall totals a little bit lower, but it will be just as slick with some minor ice accumulation expected. So as we go throughout the day today, the snow overspreads the area by 4 o'clock. By 7 o'clock, it's pretty steady. And I pointed out this earlier, but I want to do it once again. Notice how dark the blue is. That is the very heavy snow, but it's just a band really from Muncie, north of Indianapolis, back towards Crawfordsville. And that's what's going to happen with this storm system. We're going to see the banding of snow, and where these bands set up, we could easily see about 8, 9, maybe even 10 inches of snow. But in general, we're expecting about 5 to 9 inches of snow, as this snow is going to be pretty steady throughout the evening hours. And here's that mixing that's starting to take place as you work your way down towards Bloomington, Columbus. Even comes up as far as maybe Rushville and Shelbyville and over towards the Richmond area. So that's where we're going to see the lower snowfall totals. And as we go through the 4 or 5 o'clock hours tomorrow morning, as the storm system starts to depart, there will be another burst of what we'll call heavier snow that'll fall across the northern portion of the state. So while snowfall totals may be a little lower initially in places like Kokomo and Peru, you'll quickly add it up after midnight. So generally about 5 to 9 inches of snow across most of the area, 3 to 6 inches down to the south where we see that mixing take place, and we could also see a little additional ice accumulation there as well. This morning temperatures are in the teens, 15 in Lafayette, 18 in Indianapolis, a little warmer to the south. It's 23 currently in Bloomington. But you notice the cold air to our north, -1 in Minneapolis. That's the other thing the storm system will do. Once it departs, we'll turn the winds northwesterly, and that'll take our temperatures and tumble them all the way down into the single digits by Thursday morning. In fact, Friday morning, we could be sub-zero with highs only in the teens Thursday and Friday. Then more light snow is in the forecast Saturday night into Sunday morning.